Glad bags with enemies, cut up so they remember me. Soak them in Hennessy so they relatives know it's me. You can bet your last dollar I'll dick them and holler. Riding these hoochies like they some heavy ass Chevy and Polish. Jump up and get your ass shot up. From a profit, pick my Glock up. I'm busting with such efficiency. Popping, nobody got up. Holler, outlaw riders. Mash upon the gas pedal. Vacate the scene, count the cash and stash the precious metal. Here come the coppers, the SWAT team in the helicopters. Them crackers just crazy. Why? Cause they'll never stop us. I watch Arnold Schwarzenegger bust somebody in the movie. Now I wanna do it too. Ooh, niggas is too through. True to the game, I claim. Outlaw riders who give a fuck what they try.
Cause young over behind it, can you picture me sticking niggas? But they watch and change. Kick back, little nigga, and watch the game.
Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these tricks, now they all wanna sue me. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer.
When I get dusted, I like to spread the blood like mustard. Trust it, my hardcore rain leaves you rusted. Move over, Lucifer, I'm more ruthless. Leave you toothless, you kip it, I flip it. Tears don't affect me, I hit them with the tech G. Disrespect me, my potency is deadly. I'm shooting babies, no ifs, ands, or maybes. Hit mummy in the tummy if the hooker plays a dummy. Found your father hiding in a room, fuck him with the broom. Slid him down the back and threw salt in the wound. Who you think you're dealing with? Anybody step into my path is fucking feeling it. Hardcore, I got it sucked like a pussy. Stab it to your gushy, so please don't push me. I'm using rubber so they won't trace the semen. The black demon, got the little hooker screaming.
Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these tricks, now they all wanna sue me. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer.
Look out my window, I see homeless people sleeping, catching seeds on the cement, wonder if they even dreaming. Meanwhile, Peter beefing over who should be a vegan, feeding animals better food than these people are eating. One of them told me Walmart just fired 20 workers for 6 months straight. Nobody would hire any workers. I'm so hungry I could cry, wouldn't lie for any purpose. Could you find it in your heart to buy me any churches? Bottom of 20 piece of shitty in these city streets. Too many penniless peeps, plenty Remy in your reach. That could be an enemy to man, cause really when he drinks he thinks, fuck a $50 billy, give me brinks. You know how it goes, no nuts, no glory. Bitches on my dick, ho, what's your story? Probably want kids, no luck, no Maury. Looking for a joke, go fuck Joe Toro.
Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these tricks, now they all wanna sue me. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire.